What's up guys, you may know me from a few of my videos. My name is Skinny and I work at Coburg Nissan, and I had an aha moment. Yesterday it dawned on me why people are not using video to sell cars like they should. So I produced this amazing video of a 2017 Subaru WRX that we had. I went out, did all the nice slow motion glory shots, put this thing in Premiere, started color correcting, and built a 1 minute kind of dramatic sequence of this Subaru that I thought was just gonna explode. I thought this thing was gonna be amazing. Similar to the GTX video that I've done that you may have saw on LinkedIn as well. That thing got over 1,000 views, that GTX video. And I was like, wow, if I can get a GTX video blow up like that, this Subaru should be a cinch. And it fell flat, like nothing. I got 500 views over YouTube, Instagram, and LinkedIn combined. It sucked and kind of got me down, kind of got me feeling like, right? Like I was deflated. And I'm gonna blame that on Amazon, Netflix, Instagram, Facebook. I don't wanna break up with you guys. I still love you guys, but I'm blaming it on you. We live in a day where likes and view counts are a big instant gratification we're looking for, where we can buy something online and within less than 2 days, it's at our doorstep. Oh, I love that. Netflix, you can sit there and binge watch 188 episodes of The Office. Like, whew, I love that. It's amazing. I love this day and age. But that doesn't always kind of translate into a good thing. So if you're gonna use video to sell cars over the internet, you're gonna have to realize that that instant gratification, those likes, those views, it's not gonna sell you a car. The video you do today may not sell that car today. The 20th video that you do may not sell that car. To give you an example, that Subaru was my 297th video. 297, you think I would have this down by now? And that thing fell flat. Like, I don't have the secret sauce. I don't have the formula. I don't know what will be a hit. To give you another great example of that, the next day came in and was like, okay, just ignore it, because I know from 296 prior videos that it's not always that one that's gonna work. I went back and kind of looked at another older stock vehicle that I had and was like, okay, I gotta get this thing to move. And I started taking that 6-minute video of a base Rogue, nothing fantastic, nothing special, not a cool car like a Subaru, and started pushing that on social media platforms and my other avenues. And within 2 hours, I had someone at the dealership asking for me by name to come and look at the car, right? So I went from an ultimate low of doing my amazing Subaru video to my ultimate high of a customer coming in and asking for me by name because they saw my video. And the only way I can explain that is content, content, content. If you want to succeed with selling cars over the internet by video, it's just content. Keep pushing out as much as you can. Quality stuff, not like you don't have to go in there and use editors and Premiere and color correct and all that junk. You got to have quality audio and somewhat stable video. And with those two little things combined with the minimal equipment, like I use my cell phone for every single walk around video that I do. I only use my nice camera for stuff like this just because I like to use my nice camera. But for my walk around stuff, this is my tool because it's quick, it's easy, it's got a great battery life, and it's stabilized. I use this with a little lapel mic and I walk around and do my videos with that. And those are the ones that I get the most compliments on, believe it or not. It's hilarious. So you're sitting there, you have that camera in your pocket, go out there right now, start creating video. You're gonna be like, oh, I sound funny. Oh, I don't want to be in the video. Look at me, look at these eyebrows. These are ridiculous. I'm wearing a toque for crying out loud. But I don't care. I got over that on video 10. You know what I mean? Like, you're gonna get over that, how you sound and how you look. It is just go out there, shoot the car. You don't have to be in the video the whole time, but go out there and shoot the car and start creating content. People will start coming into the store, asking for you by name, and that's gonna be the aha moment for you. That's gonna be like, okay, this is finally starting to work. But don't expect that on video 1, on video 10, on video 50. Just keep going until it starts to get some traction. It is only recently, as of in the last 5-6 months, that I have 3, 4, 5 people a week coming and asking for Skinny, and they don't even know who I am, but they saw me in the video. And it's finally starting to get some traction where I think it's really, really worth it for me. But I had a commitment to do this, and I really wanted to kind of set an example for my others team that, you know, they should be doing this as well. And it's starting to work. So they're seeing it starting to work. They're doing more video. I'm doing more video. I want to go from 297 to like 750 by the end of the year. I want to double or triple my content because I know it's starting to get some traction. I want to put stuff out there, create as much content as I can, and just have people kind of recognize me and have myself be at the forefront. So if they have questions, they want me to find them a car, they want me to help them sell their car, whatever it is, I'm the guy that they're going to start to think of, because I'm in so many videos and I'm publishing in so many different avenues that I just naturally am the guy. So if you're going to use videos to sell cars, you have to just ignore the likes, ignore the instant gratification. Don't worry about the negative comments. Just keep doing it. You will get better and better over time. It becomes more natural. Sitting and talking to yourself in front of a camera like this doesn't seem as ridiculous. You just have to do it. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. I have no idea why I wanted to, but I like LinkedIn. I thought this would be a cool way to give back to you guys. So go out there, get your cell phone out of your pocket, go create some videos, start posting them, start sharing them, ask your friends to help you out, share them with whoever they're going to share them with. And you never know, video 20, video 30, video 50, you're going to start to see that work, and you're going to start to see that snowball effect. And hopefully in a couple months time, you know, you're at 50, 60 videos and you're selling more cars and you're having a lot of fun doing it. Fall in love with the process. The results will be the results. You're just going to get better over time. All right, guys, that's it. That's all I wanted to say. I'm rambling now, so I'm going to cut it off and leave it at that. If you have any questions, use the comment button, send me a direct message. I'll leave my cell phone on the video down somewhere below right here, and you can reach out to me that way if you want to. But I always love talking about this stuff. This has become a passion of mine, so I'm open for any kind of discussion. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.